Hi guys, FIFA Monster here, and today I don't know if you know this app that I am playing. It is Foot 17 Draft Simulator, and as you see I have 32 million, yes, and we're going to open some Team of the Season packs. And in the end of this video, the 3 best Team of the Season players that I have packed today, I will do another video with them with some challenges in order to keep them or sell them. If you want, tell me in the comments your ideas, but they have to be with drafts or something like that, not do the crossbar challenge or stuff like that. For example, do a 192, 191, but it's difficult, so please don't take it. And okay, let's continue. The first pack, I hope we'll get some Team of the Seasons though, because I don't have a lot of them. Come on. And the first pack, oh, we got one, but he's a shit one. And okay, anyway, second pack, oh my god, nothing again. And yeah, let's see. The third pack, please give me something good. Oh my god, it won't. I'm pretty sure it won't. Yeah, see, Alderweireld. Wait, I think he was Team of the Season. Why they don't give us? Anyway, oh my god, why? I don't know if I'm going to pack some Team of the Season in this video because my luck, what the fuck? My luck is not the best in some, but in some apps generally, because in this app I'm not that lucky. I mean, if you see my cards, you cannot say I'm not lucky because I have all the Team of the Years. Oh, yesterday I packed this Neuer, so if we don't pack anyone else today, I'm going to put this Neuer. Also have this Chiellini who I packed him yesterday, and this Mertens. So these are the 3 best Team of the Season players I have. Also, see, now that you see this card, you can tell me if you want to put anyone else in the line instead of this Team of the Season. For example, anyone Team of the Year. Don't do this. Anyway, and yeah, I have a lot of cards. If you want to tell me some of them, I have Legends. And yeah, let's go back to the packs anyway. But I have this card, so if you want, tell me. What the fuck, come on. But these packs are kinda expensive, and we get nothing, as you see. Where the fuck is this ad? Oh my god. Let's open another one. Oh my god, we got one, and it's Griffo. Oh my god. Why are we getting shit? I don't understand that. Oh, I swear, if I say this ad one more time, I don't know what I'm going to do. Yeah. Anyway, Banega, nothing. Oh my god, why does it show me this app again and again? I don't want it. Fuck's sake. Oh my god, come on, Nainggolan. He is a Team of the Season. Are you kidding me? Look at that. He's in the front page. How they don't give me this card? Oh my god. By the way, this Team of the Season is sick. I hope I get some of this play. What the? What's the problem of the app? Why it shows me on this ad? I don't know. Anyway, oh my god, what is this? And don't ask me from where I got all these coins. It is called. One minute, I forgot it. Wait, I'm going to show you. It's very simple to get them. Um, you you basically go here in this slot machine. Tell me in the comments if you want me to do a slot machine video or I do that thing. Oh, we got one. Here it is. Yeah, so this is how I got my most of my coins, because I got players that I had duplicates, and then my money was going up, and yeah, rich. Now let's go back to this. So I said that would be a pack opening, and I have done everything else except of that. So I'm not going to do anything else now. I am only going to open packs until we get someone good. I would like to pack Ronaldo, but it's really difficult. So I don't know if I'm going to do this, but I will try because I have so many money. so much money, sorry. But we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to get them. If I don't, I can buy them because yeah, I stop it again. Look, I can buy Messi and Ronaldo, but I don't know if it is worth it because they cost like 20 million both, and yeah, I don't know. I may do this. Tell me in the comments, but I think I shouldn't because I think it would be better to pack them. If I don't pack them, then I'm going to buy them probably. Have packs. There's no reason to buy them for 12 million. So yeah. Oh, okay. I thought I opened a gold pack for a reason. Oh, got Aubameyang. Hmm. He was team of the season. What the fuck? Guys, I don't know why it doesn't give me good players today. Maybe it's not my day. Also, I upgraded the app and it has new pictures of the players, as you see, new photos, and that's it. But I don't. Oh, Ramos. Hmm. Okay, I think he was team of the season, but the game doesn't know it. Obviously. Come on, come on, come on. No. 90 rated. Okay, so that could be a player on the line, but I don't know. I would like someone better. So I don't know how many minutes this video will be, but like if you want, I'm going to tell it in the end also. And yeah, come on. So also tell me in the comments more ideas that I could do because I don't know what to do except from pack openings for team of the season and other stuff. And tell me if you want to do any food draft challenges or something else. Also, these food draft challenges for the next video I'm going to do should be related with food drafts. So tell me what should I do. Uh, or if you don't tell me anything, I will do something that I will think about the food draft and we'll see. But firstly, we have to pack the players, which is really difficult. Right? What is this? Oh my god. Okay, so we got a player that we had already, but oh my god, that's a sick card actually. Anyway, let's continue. Who is this? Oh my god, it's Trap. Yeah, it's Trap actually. Let's continue. We got Modric. Yeah, I have packed him so many times recently because he's not team of the season, and that makes me mad. Buffon. Oh my god, Buffon was the team of the season. I'm pretty sure he was, but what the fuck? Why the game doesn't give us team of the season? Who is this? Ah, Hummels. Oh my god. And Perrin and Talisca. Okay. This is a normal pack, I could say. And oh my god, come on, please, it's Walker. Okay, that's another sick card, I could say. Alan Walker, but oh my god, what the fuck? Wait, I'm sorry. Let's continue with the package. Salah. Okay, he's 87 rated though, so that's good. Come on, please, give me someone good, please. The hair. What the fuck? He was the team of the season. Are you kidding me? And Courtois in the same pack. That's strange. Yeah. But what the fuck? How is this possible? I don't know. Does the game give us only the ultimate team of the seasons? I'm not sure. It could be because I get some players, for example, yesterday I packed Neymar, but the simple one. And yeah, I don't know. Oh, Sule. And Bale in the same pack. Okay, this is a good one. I could put him on the line. I could. I'll see. Okay, so the next pack it gives us nothing. Trigueros. He was also team of the season. Yeah, guys, I think we only get the ultimate team of the seasons right now, so that's why we don't get everyone else. That's the worst pack today, I think. Oh my god, I'm sorry. So I don't know how many money I'm going to spend today. I think I will stop in 25 million if we don't pack anyone good. If I pack someone who is 96 plus rated, I will stop the video and I will see what I'm going to do with the other video I told you. If we don't, oh come on, no. Why I get only these shitters? These guys, wait, are not in the ultimate team of the season, but are here. So, no. So probably they're going to be, yeah, from these leagues that I don't care about. Please, someone good. It's Mata, okay. And two informs that I already have. Okay, that's something, but it's not a blue, so come on, please. It's who's this? Kota. Yeah, if you are a Greek, you should be laughing right now. He's Kota. Yeah, let's continue. I don't want to talk about this guy anymore. Oh my god, I thought it was Messi for a while. Oh, yeah, I remember something. I was opening packs yesterday and I got Messi, but the normal card, not the ultimate team of the season. And I don't know why. It doesn't give me those cards. I have the feeling that this app has. I have to update it again. I will try it later and see and tell you the next video. But I think it's fully updated right now, so I don't know why it doesn't show me the ultimate team of the season. But yeah, in order to pack Noyers and stuff like that, it must be able to pack all the players. I think. I'm not sure. I think. Come on, let's see. Give me someone good at least. What is that? Oh my god. Okay, so I'm not going to stop the pack opening in the 25 million because these are a lot of coins to spend. I'm going to do another pack opening like this because I don't know, I kinda like it because I have collected so many money in order to spend them in these packs. But now I see that these packs are shit. Yeah. So when I started opening packs, not in the camera as right now, I had 43 million, but I spent them all yesterday with my friends. Oh my god, come on, please! No. When you see the team, you are like, okay, it's nothing. But I don't know if I should put all these players on the line. I think I want with only the best ones that we have packed today. But okay, come on, please be some Guliana. Oh, this is a good one. This is going on the lines, I'm sure. Oh my god. Okay, so I will do 10 last packs after this. And if I don't get anyone, yeah. First pack. Nothing. It's, who is it? Chiellini. He was team of the season. He is, I mean. Second pack. Because I have packed him, that's why. Nastas. Oh, this is the best pack. Yeah, best one. No. This is officially the worst pack ever. Yeah, give 150k for Nastasic, who goes for nothing. Yeah, let's continue. Third pack. Please give me someone good, please. I have spent so many money. Like I said, he is the team of the season. Fourth pack, please. Okay, here we go. Please. Oh, I had packed him again. I may put him on the line. I'll see. Yeah. Come on, please. This is the fifth pack, I think. Yes. Come on! Open. Yeah. What is this? Oh my god. Please. Give me. Are you mad? And he's scared though. This guy here was the team of the season and he had a sick card, 87, but his pace, guys, is amazing. I have him on FIFA Mobile. Oh, thank you. Tell me in the comments if you want me to show you my FIFA Mobile team because you are going to get I don't know what to say, gassed maybe, because I have done a madness. Yeah, so if you want me to do another FIFA Mobile video and with well, also tell me in the comments because I will may do another best attack mode gameplay. I mean more. Yeah, I think this is the 8th pack right now, so we're coming in the end. What the fuck? David Luiz back to back. Are you mad? 9th pack. Please. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's it. Oh my god. Reaching. And the last pack for today. Nothing. Okay, you know what? Because we didn't got something really good in this video. I'm going to open the 1 million coin pack. Okay, I hope we will get something good. I'm not going to look at it. So now you can see the player, and that's it. Oh my god, it's golden. Okay, I mean that's good because we didn't have this guy, and I think it's one from the best ones, because if we go to my cards, and you will see that most of the players I have them. I have the Ronaldo, another one. I have Lewandowski. I have this Messi. I have another Lewandowski. I have, let me show you. I have Neymar, Suarez, another Lewandowski. What the fuck? Hazard. Yeah. So this golden was really good, I could say. And yeah, let's go first to building challenges. Can tell me if you want me to do anything else, because I don't know. Okay, as you see, there are some players that I could do, but I don't know how many there are. Okay, so there are lots of these cards. Yeah, Halloween, there are these ones, you know. PL man of the matches. Okay, these are some sick cards. If you want me to do any of them in a video, tell me. And Footmas, okay, Footmas, the 30 cards the EA have released, so there's no point of doing this. Also, I'm going to tell you that for this Suarez, as you see down here, I have done the squad building challenges on Footwatch. I don't know if I have told you that, but I have. Yeah. I have done all the 20 clubs, how many there are, I don't remember. Yeah, so that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, leave a like and subscribe. I would like to reach 20 subscribers in the end of the summer. That would be sick. Also, tell me in the comments what I asked you. So if you want me, tell me what challenges you want to do with the first 3 players I have packed. Wait, let me show you which players these are. Okay, so we have packed today. Wait. We have packed. This is Julian. Okay, this is going on the line. Who else? Okay, I will also put Dendonke, and you can choose one player in the comments from this page here. So look at this page and tell me who you want. Okay, so from team of the season I have only Lam and Casemiro. So see also this page and tell me about the team of the season cards. But no, please don't tell me Neuer and Chiellini or Mertens and Aubameyang, because I want these players. Please tell me from 94 and I'm like Insigne. Okay, if you don't tell me, I'm going to choose one. Now, but I would like only to put team of the season, so don't tell me any team of the years or stuff like that. Like, don't tell me 99 Ronaldo. I'm obviously not going to do this. If we reach 20 subscribers or 30, I'm going to do it with a team of the year on the line, maybe. And yeah, that was the video. Tell me, oh my god, I have done the outro. Yeah. Okay, so tell me what I asked you, and bye.